What's going on, folks? 5 a.m. in the morning. Finally getting to take the boat out. It's been sitting here in the yard for, I guess, the past, I don't know, month and a half, 2 months. That's why I haven't had any content. Had to get those Glendenning boxes rebuilt and even buy a new one here. So anyway, tested it out a little bit yesterday. Seems to be going good. We are going to go on a quick trip just to kind of test it out before we go out deep dropping or tuna fishing or anything. We're going to go on just a little half day, just have some fun, go try to get some snapper maybe, still in season, maybe troll for some kings, Spanish, whatever else. It's supposed to get real nasty and rough this afternoon, so probably just a half day trip. We'll check back in on the water. Little bumpy today, little bumpy. We doing all right. All right, we are out here. It's a little rough, a little bit rough, but we are gonna give it a shot. Try to do a little bottom fishing first off. This is a spot we've had good success with in the past here, kind of close to shore. Catching some snapper and different species right here. Alright, we got the first fish. Oh, I got one on too. Who's gonna do it? Oh, yours got off. Come on, babe.
Worried about getting wrapped up in the motor.
Yeah. Nice fish. Easy. No falling in the water. Hey, look at Nick over there with the Spanish. Not a bad first fish. I don't know if he's gonna keep or not. He's gonna be close. Oh yeah. Yep, 17. He's a keeper. We ain't throwing no keepers back.
That's right.
You never know. This one. Nick's got a nice keeper in the boat there. That's what we're after, something that size, 20 inches. Harvey hooked up. I mean, they are active. As soon as we hit the bottom, they're hitting it. I think they might have got me already. I got bumped and then it's gone. I might switch to a jig here in a minute.
Little fella.
Yeah, little fella. Nick with a nice one. I don't know if that's gonna make it or not. He ain't gonna make it. Nick tearing up the babies over here. That one looks like a little better there, maybe. Ah, still a baby. Well, Nick's got the bad luck of the catfish out here offshore. That's when you know things aren't right. See what Harvey's working with here. Another baby. I know there's some bigger ones here. We just got to get to them. Alright, let's see if we can get something here drifting by. There we go. He's not very big, but he's got some fight to him. Yeah, just a baby. Still a lot of fun though. Barely had him hooked. Go get bigger there, buddy. Nick hooked up with something running. big snapper?
Yeah, sir. I want to get dinner.
Yep. I got it. Oh. Very nice.
Little bitty gotcha.
I know it. He was just hooked with one
Like I said,
thing.
he hit it on the way down.
There we go. There's a decent one. Maybe. Oh yeah. He's got a little fight to him. Oh yeah. Come on, babe. Thank you, Nick. Yeah, definitely a keeper. That's number 4.
There you go.
There we go.
Cut him in half.
Yeah. There we go. All right, drop it back down. We need 2 more good fish here.
Here, trying to go forward. Oh, God.
Yeah.
There you go.
You got them all? Another keeper?
Number 5.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a good one. Don't let him slip up.
Yes, sir. That's a nice one. That's the best one of the day right there. Hopefully it's a keeper. Hopefully. Get out of here and go troll some.
Did we catch it close? We caught the same fish.
Y'all That's hilarious. That is good. He was hungry right there. That is hilarious.
2 hooks in it.
2 hooks.
Side by side.
That is awesome. Well, we were gonna get him to the boat. That is awesome. Let's see for the day here. Quick 3-hour trip. Got some nice snapper. Pardon the train in the background here. Nice 3-man limit. No trophies, but restock the fridge and freezer. I've been cooking too much here lately for people. Taking all my good reserves. That's right, home before noon.
There's that Spanish in there too.
Oh, there's another one? Oh, yep, nice little bonus fillet there. Didn't even know we had him.